I'm going to teach you how to make a simple crochet 3D flower. So this is how it looks. It's very easy and friendly beginner. So now we will start. So all you need is I have taken here 3mm thickness of this yarn, pink color, and another, this color is a cream color. This one is also 3mm thickness, and 3mm hook and a scissor. By making a magic ring. So to make a magic ring, you have to turn your yarn in your 2 fingers like this and make it in an X shape. After you enter your hook and you pull, here it is done. Now you just have to make 1 chain. This is a magic ring. Now you have to make a 3 chain. This one is count as a 1 chain, 2 and 3. Now you will do 23 double crochet inside this magic ring. I will come back to after making 23 double crochet. I have finished making 23 double crochet. Now what you have to do is pull this yarn to make the hole tighter. Once it's done, you have to do slip stitch. This one is the 3rd chain that we made last. The first 1 2 3 3rd chain, you have to enter inside this one and make a slip stitch. After 1 chain, tied it, cut the yarn. So now for this yarn, we are going to use a needle to secure it. Now you have to secure this one as well. Now we are going to use a pink color of yarn. We are going to make a slip knot. So to make a slip knot, you just have to make a circle shape and enter the short yarn inside, pull it out, and after, this is how you get slip knot. Now before you enter hook inside, you have to enter in this stitch anywhere you want. And now you will take this pink color yarn, after make it tight and enter inside the stitch. After, you have to make a 5 chain. After 5 chain, you are going to skip to 1, 2 chain, and now you are going to enter in the 3rd chain, and you are going to make a slip stitch. When the slip stitch is done, you have to make 3 chain. When the 3 chain is done, you have to turn your work, and you see here I like to hide this chain inside when I take the chain. So now I will take this all, and after when 3 chain is done, I'm going to make 11 double crochet. So I will come back after when 11 double crochet is done inside. Here I have finished making 11 crochet. Now all you have to do is turn again your work, and after you make a slip stitch in the next chain, not this one but this one. Slip stitch. This is how you make one petal. Now for the next one, you are going to make again to make chain 5. After you have to skip 2, 1, 2, and in the 3rd chain you are going to make slip stitch. When slip stitch is done, you have to make 3 chain and turn your work. Again you are going to make 11 double crochet. I will come back when I will finish 11 double crochet. I have finished. I will turn my work again, and after I will enter in the next stitch as a slip stitch. Make slip stitch. Now I can cut the small yarn. So now you have to make up to the last, same as like I have finished 6 petals. Now this is the last one. Now you are going to enter in this chain and make slip stitch, and after when slip stitch is done, you are going to make 1 chain, tie your yarn, now you are going to cut this part, and you can secure this yarn by sewing. And here is the flower. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Bye.